Hi everyone, my name is Olesya. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll teach you 6 Russian letters in just a few minutes. I call them friends letters because they look and sound the same as English letters. Let's go. A. Арбуз. Машина. О. Мост. Кот. С. Сок. Т. Трамвай. Look, from those letters we can make the Russian word. Mastak. It means a skillful person, like a master or someone really good at what they do. Isn't it cool? Same letters, new meaning. Okay, guys, it's just for you to help you remember those letters. Now let's play a quick game. I'll show you a picture and you guess the letter. Ready? Which letter is it? A. Which letter is it? That's right. S. Sock. Which letter is that? Well done. Most. Let's repeat all our friend letters together. A, O, K, S, T. Amazing, you already know 6 Russian letters. They're super easy, they're our friends. In the next video, we'll learn the tricky letters. They look familiar but sound different. Don't miss it. Like this video, subscribe and tell me in the comments which letter is your favorite.